Itagat chitab Kalenjin eng logoiwekab emet chebo sait tisab kainenyu ko Chesankaro nebo Rapsirma. Kitaune logoiwek cho kolo kitepse gavana nebo Bomet Professor Hilary Barchok eng ofisisiek chebo kibagengeit neborie asoya nebo EACC eng Nakuru kotinygei ak asoya nebo silingishek bilionit 1.45 nemwaat kele kibit eng serikalitab county notok bo Bomet. Kongololi kokebata ketepse koesho Barchok kinekomwa kole matinygei ine ak chorsetab rabisiek chebo serikalitab Bomet akomwa kole tindoi kayanet kole bitu imanda eng konekit eng mwaet kole chobot kobois eng kibagenge ak kibagenge notok bo EACC eng chikilisiet netesetai akosome biikab Bomet komuita eng kasarta tugul netesetai chikilisiet akoi kiwong.
Inangolole amiten ofisisiekab EACC en Nakuru akamache amwa kongoi amun toek chekarutechon en betutab raini eng kokotiet konyokokatan en gaa akokatan kora en office. Toek chekobun EACC. EACC ko agenge en temenik chekitindoi en serikali chetoretech keker kele kakirib tugukab emet komie ak katebi kora kandoik en oret kora nebo tekisto kou yemwoe ng'atutiet. So kabwa kokatindo siret nebo kotini nekimwoe kele konyokoswa akochikil kole ne nemiten gaa ak ne nemiten office noton nebo Bomet ak nebo Nairobi. So kaking'ololchine komie, kakobwa akoker akoswa tugun chekamokyingei ak en kobo kora komiten ng'alek chekakileta chebo mwaet ongen akwek tugul mamache aror amun biikab Bomet, biikab Kenya angen ale kobo kora komi ng'alek chekeleto. En wikini konye ko kikas kisir kele sijui kibetyo nekit 1 billion kikobwa ng'weny akoi kong'eten 1.6 akoi 1 billion. So komi ng'alek cheu chon ako tindo right EACC yan kakikas ng'alek cheu chon koyai chikilisiet akokuyo kole miono imanit en ng'alek choton. So kangobwa keng'ololchine komie makinaman koyeletotegei ng'alek chokere chesire biik alak en social media kango kaketar ng'alekab search warrant nekokoib kosom akoyonji amun ak tekisi ng'atutiet kebwan akoi ofisinywan nebo Nakuru asikobit kesir statement konamgei ng'alek choton. Ne abaibai amun kakesir ak kimoche kikochin muda amun abaibai ayoni ale komalo komong'u imanit nebo ng'alek chon. Lakini mamache ang'alal ng'alek chechang nguni amun tabakeng'olole en gaa amun ami county age ko ng'alek ko making'olole en inje king'ololunen gaa ng'alek. So kit neamache kitakomwochi biikab Bomet ko kong'eten karon ketesetai ak boisionik kama kawaida. So matindoi ng'olyon age tugul ako makirat gavana. Lakini abaibai amun kaityo ng'alechu sikotiachan akane ng'alek cheletote biik mabitu imanit yan makiyai chikilisiet. So amache aker any yekakobataita noni ko ne noton amache ateb ale kakobataita ami any EACC nguni ne any neisibu amun tako imanit. So ongetuyen en ground yun akenai ile miten imanit amun mong'u imanit. So mamache atesyi ng'alek chechang nguni lakini amache amwochi kongoi ofisaek chebo EACC amun ele kong'ololundon ak ele kakibwanunde ko kakibwan en oret nebo tekisto ak kinyokerekoten statement akot akeyai chaik ak kikatkei. So akemwa kele kimoche kikochi muda ng'alechu keyai chikilisiet akomong. Ko ye kakomong kekure kora press conference akemwa kele imanit koni. So nibuch abaibai akamache kewek gaa en boiboiyet ak karon subui ngwany kosip kinam ko saa 2 inam kasit amun kakibet nekabo raini. Kongoi biikab Bomet yekasoiwon ak amache amwa ale makiratan.
Tesetai ko kakoitita emetab Haiti kebeberta nebo 4 nebo askarikab emoni chetoreti eng tetutik chebo kawekunetab kalyet eng emonotok bo Haiti. Askarichotok 144 koboto ofisaek 24 che kwonyik chebunu kebeberta nebo SWAT Elite Team chetindoi naet neo nebo ribsetab kalyet kokomanda eng Nairobi kobune indegeit nebo Kenya Airways eng betutab amut 4 kasi ole konyor takset kobun ofisaek cheechen chebo emetab Haiti ak chebo MSS Mission kondochin Force Commander Godfrey Otunge yekongoitita emonotok bo Haiti. Kiyomis emetab Kenya koyokto askarik 1,000 koba kotoret eng kawekunetab kalyet eng emonoto ole tesetai koyokto ofisaekab police koba emonoto.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to donor countries, especially to the Trust Fund, including the United States, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Turkey, and the Republic of Korea for honoring their commitments. Their support has been crucial in bringing the mission to where it stands today. At this critical stage of decisive operations, we urge other donor countries that have yet to fulfill their pledges to do so. Their contributions are vital in ensuring the success of this mission, which will be a game changer for Haiti. It is also encouraging to note that MSS is now close to reaching its full operational strength. Additionally, our capabilities continue to grow with enhanced air support from El Salvador, maritime support from the Bahamas, and the advanced land capabilities made possible through donor countries. With these positive developments, those who doubted this mission and the doubting Thomases and those who are going around in circles over the last 2 days, especially the criminal gangs, they are in for a rude shock. The MSS is growing stronger by day, and we will succeed in our mission. And to the President of Haiti, MSS is a mission of hope for Haiti and will not let Haiti down.
Kakonerekyi neranik alake eng county nebo Uasin Gishu Ministry nebo Labour kotinygei ak nematestai interview nebo lewenetab neranik chebendi konyoru boisionik eng emotinwekab sang. Kosubkei ak neranichoto kokoimong eng chongindo eng komasta nenyolu keyai interview choto eng sukulitab Eldoret National Polytechnic kobate makinoisechi amune asimatestai interview notok, kit nekoipchi icheket kobet chepkondok ak kasartanywa neo kobwa komasata. Kinyoru karoretab logoiwechutok ak sirindenyo Timothy Kiplimo.
Kaitita chongindab neranichoto sukulitab Eldoret National Polytechnic kobuen kaororet nebo kabarastaet nebo Ministry of Labour and Social Protection en emoni kole kibendi keyoe interviews chebo neranik chebendi konyoru boisionik en emotinwekab sang. Kole kaitita neranichoto kobate mami kiy age tugul nekatesetai en sukulinoto amamite logoiyo age tugul nekonyor kole tos amune asimatestai tetutienoto.
Naitwa Mercy Chepkosgei natoka Tarbo. So venye tulipata hii information that kuna kurecruit watu kwenda Middle East na Europe, tukajiambia acha tukuje since tumeteseka, tumesoma, tuko na certificates, hata tujienda shule, tumeenda shule, tumegraduate, wengi wako hapa na degrees but hakuna kazi. Tukajiambia maybe tutafanikiwa. Tumefika hapa hakuna communication yoyote. So sielewi Ministry of Labour, are we a joke to you people?
Jina naitwa Humphrey Charo. Mimi nilitumiwa message kutoka na rafiki yangu kutoka Mombasa kuhusu portal ya kazi. Hiyo recruitment ya leo tarehe 6 hapa Eldoret Polytechnic. Nimekuja mapema kufika hapa nikasikia ati hakuna hiyo university hawajasikia kitu kama hiyo. Wamesema mara tunasikia wamesema wamecancel, mara wanasema sijui tuende kwa Ministry of Labour.
Hata saa hizi tumepigwa na jua. Mimi mwenyewe nilifika hapa saa 11 nikasema nataka nikuwe namba 2 ama namba 1. Unfortunately nimekaa hapa nimepigwa na baridi but sijafaulu. So nauliza serikali, hii serikali ni yetu ama ni ya Uganda?
Moche en inguni neranichoto CS netonondochin Ministry of Labour and Social Protection en emoni Dr. Alfred Mutua komwochi ichek amune asimatestai tetutienoto akot ngandan manyor ichek logoiyo age tugul angot ko kikisipto siretab boisionichoto anan ko kiketar anan ko oret nekiboisie en siretab boisionichoto.
Nimekuwa hapa last week on 27th January na wale watu walikuwa wanatufanyisha interview tulikuwa tunashangaa walikuwa serious ama ni kujiwekelea. Jambo la pili tunauliza Ministry of Labour, kama mna advertise vitu zenye mnajua haziko, tafadhali heri mngewaachana nayo, kwa maana tumewacha kila shughuli yote na tunakuja tunakaa hapa kama wajinga wenye hatujui chochote. Tafadhali Mutua, sisi tunakuaddress, ukuje uingilie kati na tuone kwamba tunafaidika.
Kwa majina naitwa Bunge Melkisedek. Mimi ni mkaaji wa hapa. Tumekuja hapa asubuhi tukiambiwa kuna interview. Sasa tulikuwa tumefurahia kwamba leo tunaweza panda ndege, lakini kumbe ilikuwa tu ni akaya ya Bunwasi. Ndio sasa tunauliza kama ni ukweli hii maneno iko ama hakuna. Kwa sababu kwa advertisement imeandikwa tarehe 6 na venue ni Eldoret Poly. Sasa tumekuja hapa hivi ili tupate hiyo kasi, but tumeona hata hiyo interview hakuna.
Agot konoto kokosubkei ak public notice kobun Ministry of Labour and Social Protection nekakimong en betutab raini, kokamwa Dr. Alfred Mutua kole kikitelel tetutienoto itorchingei siretab neranik chetetat konyor boisionik en emotinwekab sang eng tarik 27 nebo arawetab 12 en kenyit nekosirtoi. Ole tomo kobarasta ichek kawekchinetabgei nebo tetutienoto kokeny, kit nekamach biikab boror konai kole kikitelel tetutienoto akoto mo kewekchigei. Kong'eten kanaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kaninyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Fine Touch Africa Limited inakuletea pipes za irrigation na pipes za kusambaza maji zijulikanazo kama Fine Drop HDPE pipes. Fine Touch inatengeneza pipe hizi kwa ubora wa hali ya juu na kuuza kwa bei nafuu. Fine Touch Africa pia wanahusika na pipes za drip irrigation, rain hose, sprinklers na vilevile pampu za maji. Vifaa vingine vya irrigation kutoka Fine Touch ni kama vile greenhouses, agricultural nets, dam liners, solar pumps, rain guns, planting trays, miongoni mwa vifaa vingine vya kilimo. Kwenye mji wa Nakuru tunapatikana industrial area nyuma ya Gido Plaza. Eldoret tunapatikana Nakuru Road baada ya daraja la Sosiani. Pia tuko Kitale, Kapsabet, Iten, Bomet, Bungoma, Nyahururu na sehemu zingine nchini. Nairobi tunapatikana eneo la Embakasi, Saku Business Park. Ili kufahamu mengi kuhusu bidhaa za Fine Touch Africa, tembelea duka la Fine Touch Africa lililo karibu nawe au utupigie simu kwa nambari 0724 615 066 au 0700 169 962. Kwenye tovuti unatupata kwenye www.finetouch.co.ke. At Fine Touch, we make it green.
Kaimutiet nekabit ko yekitestai ak logoiwechoto konyolu eng serikali kotoi tetutik chetoreti kipsomaninik chebunu komoswek chemite barak uindab sobet konyor magutik chotok chemokotin eng somanet asikobore somananata. Amwa director nebo kibagengeitab Zero Barefoot Victor Kiprono kole chang lagok chemaimuchi kosoman eng oret nenyolu kosubkei ak kaimutik cheterter chebo sobet. Ole koikoito toretetab kweyinik koiti kipsomaninik chotok chebo sukulishek 8 eng kebeberta nebo Tindiret asikomuch kosoman komie. Akenyoru sirindenyo Cornelius Keter ak logoiwechuto.
Kong'ololi eng Tindiret yekangondochin kokoitoetab kweyinik koityi kipsomaninik 1,000 eng Tindiret, komwa CEO nebo kibagengeitab Zero Barefoot Victor Kiprono kole tesetai kibagengenotok ak kokoitoetab kweyinik 2,000 eng sub-county nebo Tindiret ak aldai koityi kipsomaninik chebunu korik chemaimuchigei. Ole kamwa kole chang mionwogik chenome kipsomaninik mising ko kobun korik chekitoretegei ng'alek chekarobeu director nebo tililindo Dr. Simon Kipchirchir.
Kakibwarani Nandi keibu kweyinik 2,000 eng constituency nebo Tindiret. Ako mutai kemite alda kimache kemeken sure kele lagok chok tugul chematindoi kweyinik eng Kenya by 2030 komami lakwa eng koroni anan eng Kenya mzima kowendi sukul bila kiatu. Akibwarani Nandi nyikeng'ololchi lagok ak kechergei ak kekol ketik ak kikochi lagok chok kweyinik Akimache kecherke, kimache kelechi kongoi partners chechoket amu kikosupport kimache kekol other partners kobwa on board, county government kosupport koyai partnership with us asikemeken sure kele mami lakwa en Kenya mzima newendi sukul amakuyat. Kimache keibu dignity amu mi lagok chongen ole mi big latrines chetomo ketech kongoba lagok big latrines komatindoi kwinik koigyani lagok mugonjweshek. Kimache kecherke tugul keyai ngalekab zero barefoot akemeken sure kele ingaldai ing Nandi tugul at the entire republic umami lakwet newendi sukul bila kuyat.
Studies show that children who walk barefoot are at a significant risk of contracting parasitic infections like hookworms and soil-transmitted hernias. These infections, often invisible to the naked eye, cause anemia, weaken the immune system, and lead to stunted growth.
Kamwa chief officer nebo mbarenik ak itonwekab emet eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi John Atirita kole takochang kipsomaninik chemakyingei toretetab kwenik eng komasatak bo tindret ngalek chekarob eut. Chief officer nebo somanet eng county nebo Nandi Beatrice Chemurgor.
We have over 150 schools, but now we have only distributed these shoes to only 7 schools. You see, the top is still very wide. Watoto wengi wameachwa ambao wengine kwa sababu ya familia zao hawana uwezo.
Na pia natumia kwenye sana kwa konondibini kwa affected Somalini kwa image college ya mimi sikunzi lago kuingia kwa maana mimi pendi kugenda ijeget kubendi distance
eng komastanywa ko wiki kongoi sigik kibagenge inoto kosubkei ak toretonoto kanyor ole kamwa kole chang kipsomaninik checham kobunu uinwek chechang kosubkei ak nematindoi kwenik kit neindei ole ngoi sobonwekwak.
Chabu chechang yaje nemulago mududu lewo dijage ngeni nikabigere ogot tuko na mhedi ngaburu mwana kuna nguru tukulene nguru sangoni Pembina gaga yorla pembina gaga tarsangani kya goni genda bidde kita kuyet agat ela kota ka masuk ini ketinta ala itu bentar ala ya ini kalau aku ini dia kuyet kalau ini ketinta kota kan kuru ini karena yang bentar ini aku fakta ni tadi pengen barang kelasan kalau dengan lebih kapsa yang program
Kongete taunetab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi logoiwekab emet chebo Kass kainenyu ko Cornelius Keter.
Kebendi tai kotesetai kanetisiet kibagengeit noton nebo Remington Africa koityi temik eng sub counties chebo Belgut ak Bureti eng county nebo Kericho kotinygei ak ortinwek chebo kasari chebo kabatisiet chetononchin koipchi anan takchingei koipchi kelchin kabatik. Kokinyoru logoiwechutok ak sirindenyo Robert Siele kongete Kericho County.
Kanyor kanetisiet temik kobun sub-counties chebo Belgut ak Bureti en county nebo Kericho en igortab kabatisiet nenaat kou Kericho Farmers Expo nekakiyai en Chelilis Primary School en Bureti en county noton ole kaituiyo temik ak chemung'arainik en sektaisiek 40 chebo kabatisiet kosubkei ak afisayat neo en kiwanjetab Remington Africa nekotetei igoroton bo kabartaet Peter Ngiki ko noton ko boroindo nekakinete temik akobo kanabtaetab kabatisiet chebo value addition, chametabgei nebo kiagik ak boisietab kerichek en kabatisiet en kanabtaetab kabatisiet ak muswoknotet.
Today we are here in Chelilis Primary School hosting the Kericho Farmers Expo. We have a turnout of 2,000 farmers today and 40 exhibitors cutting across all value chains from dairy, crop, and also we also have just cutting across all the value chains. We have 35 exhibitors. Yes, from fertilizer, animal health companies, agrochemical, seedlings, and even value addition companies.
Kosubkei ak afisayat neo en Remington Africa en South Rift Joanna Langat kokanyor kanetisiet kibagengeisiek chebo bandab tai anan cooperative societies cheite 10 en kabatisietab kasari.
Siri zaidi ni kuangazia maneno ya teknoloji kwa wakulima wetu ili waongeze mazao yao kutoka kwa mashamba yao. That is the thing. Na tumeshirikisha societies 10 kitu kutoka Bureti na Belgut na wote tumeleta pamoja hapa. So kazi ya Remington kuleta pamoja na washirikishwe na hawa makampuni wako na teknolojia ya kisasa.
En komastanyin komwa MCA nebo waditab Chemosoten Bureten County nebo Kericho Anita Piegon kole kabunchi kamanut kanetishanoton en kasarta nekakotoi alak en kibagengeishekab temik kanaptaetab boisionikwak kobun value addition.
It's a big day for us hosting this event, agricultural show today, and basically what we're looking into and what we appreciate is the cooperative movement, the societies that have come together with the support of Remington Africa, that we want to appreciate the thought of bringing the information closer to the people, looking at the farmers who are here today, almost 2,000 farmers or even more, and looking at the kind of information and the kind of training that is going on in this field. You know, it gives us hope that we're going to have better production in terms of the farming practices that our farmers engage themselves into. And basically today I'm seeing a lot of dairy farmers getting information that cuts across.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Akakolumda benkitab NCBA report netai nebo Sustainable Development Impact Disclosure Report netokyingei kokanapta boisionik chebo benkinoto. Namegei lumdaetab reportinoto ak arorutiet nebo Impact Disclosure Guidelines nekimong kibagengeitab Impact Disclosure Task Force eng kenyitab 2024. Kituyogei benkitab NCBA ak JP Morgan ak Blaylock Van. Ole kamwa managing director nebo NCBA noto ko John Gashora kole wendi report noto komuktochin benki noto koyai boisionik chik eng oret netogunot ako neititaat.
In 2023, we launched our sustainability strategy, under which we made 15 very bold commitments. And those commitments that spoke to economic, social, and environmental work that we're going to do to create sustainability. We've done a lot of work, and I think some of the things we have done have been mentioned. And mentioned that we committed 2 billion shillings towards electric vehicles. And for those of us visiting us here, we'll take you downstairs to see charging stations that were put for our employees and certainly for our customers. We have done that in Kenya now and in Uganda and in Rwanda. So it's something that we're doing as NCBA. Our Karura nursery, where we are aiming to have 1 million seedlings. We're probably at about 700,000 seedlings. And working with others, we believe we've already planted over 10 million trees. So it's commitments that we have made. Obviously, our work on the social side and sports side, our work with golf, our work financing, education, and others, many things that we have done in this journey, and many others that I will not mention this morning. I think what is important is the old adage, what doesn't get measured does not get done. And today what we are doing is finding and signing to a framework that actually measures those activities against an established benchmark for sustainable development. And so I'm very happy to be launching this report and to be joined by colleagues who have and friends who have worked with us and walked this journey with us. JP Morgan has been a fantastic supporter in this journey. Blaylock, great supporter and advisor on this journey for us to be launching this disclosure framework and disclosure document. As has been said, it helps companies attract capital, but we're not doing this to attract capital. I want to be very clear. We're doing this because it's the right thing to do.
JP Morgan, I think, has been committed to the SDGs for a long time and has partnered with entities, including Blaylock Van, to ensure that we have a framework or our impact guidance that would support financial institutions to disclose the work that they're doing, especially in the impact space. So to the extent that we've been there, I think NCBA is one of the partners that we're happy to work with as JP Morgan, and was really our pleasure and our support to support them through this period. The impact disclosure guidance is really a framework that is well understood by the capital markets. And I think as NCBA said themselves, it's not really to raise money necessarily, but to ensure that the activities that the firm is doing is aligned to the identified SDG goals, and that those opportunities are measured, those opportunities are communicated, but also the progress towards achieving those targets are met. I think this partnership and this collaboration with NCBA and JP Morgan is really just the beginning, and there will be opportunities for further collaboration in the future.
Ako yuto kokakileta kayumetab logoiwekab emet kokibun eng nguni kong'ete Kass TV. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma, testai ikere Kass TV, kimnatet net.